welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia for those who are tuning in, and welcome back to everybody else. As you can clearly see from the title, this is my Get Unready With Me current nighttime skincare routine. I apologize in advance that I wasn't able to actually film a proper intro. I was just so into the skincare and wanted to show you the steps and the products I use that I actually didn't do an intro. So I wanted to properly film one for you guys before we get into this video. Since we're all kind of cooped up in here, I figured I can update my skincare routine because I feel like a lot of you viewers, or in general, like to know what type of skincare people use. I mean, I'm curious. I love to know new things to use, trendy things, oldie but goodies. I mean, I say this all the time, but I just love those types of videos. So if you guys can, please comment down below, share some of your favorites. As always, I'll put everything in the info box for you guys. So without further ado, let's get into the video of my nighttime skincare routine. Alright guys, starting off with a full face of makeup that we're going to start here, and we're going to get it to this. Nice and clean and glowy. So I have my PJ on. This is Love Weekends, but to be honest, I think every day is a weekend now since we're all at home. But again, trying to stay productive and creative. So I wanted to film a updated video of my skincare nighttime routine. So I'm going to start off with this little headband just to get my hair out of the way. And of course, we're going to wash our hands. I'm going to take this wipe and just go ahead and remove that liquid lip stain, which is very, very strong. The second makeup removal I will be using is the Farmacy Green Clean. This one here is a makeup melter. It literally breaks down like everything off of your face, even your eyes. I usually start with my eyes first because I still have my lashes on. I don't know why, but you'll see that I'll stop and remove the eyelashes because I do use this around my eyes to break everything down. I literally just painted my nails, and I guess that one nail wasn't completely dried and I brushed up or it hit something, so it kind of made a dent. But anyways, you'll see me using this around my eyes. Again, it's very, very gentle, and I kind of go horizontally across my lash line to remove excess mascara, lash adhesive, and you'll feel like it's a little gritty in between your fingers only because it's actually breaking everything down nice and gently. After rinsing my face with warm water, I'm going to take another cleanser. This is actually my current favorite one. Anything that is foamy, I love. I just feel like it froths up. I can clean my whole entire face from my forehead all the way to my neck, and it just gives me like a nice even cleanse, but it's so hydrating because it has like a milky finish. So this could be my final cleansing step, guys, only because I am going to, which is also optional, I'm going to apply on a mask. I'm going to use a gentle exfoliator before. And I apologize in advance. As you can see, my nose has a little blood in there. I don't know. I didn't realize that or felt anything. You guys know I have super bad allergies. It must have been dry. I must have rubbed it. I don't know, but sorry about that. I am human. This is also another optional